Just do your thing. Hello, Median man. I don't know what that means. Medea man? Hello, Mink. How are you? A dragon, for sure. We will add that to the list. That will be after Messi. I put in... Okay, I do not know how to spell dragon. How are you? This could go really good or really bad. Because we are going Sharpies. Sharpies only. Ooh! Whoops. God dang it. We're gonna have to do something. Alright, find in. By the way, never draw like this. This is not the way. This is like the most challenging. Just challenge yourself to draw the way you think you know how to draw. It's kind of like part. How can I minimalize it? But also how can I? I can already tell that nose is gonna mess me up. He has his mouth open in a really weird way. He's breathing through his mouth. Who does that? I don't. I never breathe through my mouth. Oh, Christus, by the way, I released a new short. Um, if y'all could check it out and give it a like, it's my stand-up, but I'm being like pretty real with it. I would appreciate the support on it if you're around. I gotta. Does this look like Messi? I don't think so. I just. This is the worst possible way to start. Do a drawing. Like, after using the pencil now, regularly, like you're supposed to, I'm like, dude, this is the worst way to draw a face. Do not do what I'm doing if you're trying to legitimately draw something. It's just, I know our friend Christus here will be okay if it looks terrible. So, I was like, how good can I make it while it looks terrible? Right? Is that the challenge? I don't think that's a good challenge. That just sounds like a waste of time for everybody. I don't know what the hell is going on. Please enjoy the ominous music as we hope it makes you reflect on your life choices. I swear, if I can ever draw a nose like this, you know, like terribly or whatever, and get away with it, I will become the greatest artist ever. But that day is not today. This guy looks like a bad concept art for Planet of the Apes. Looks like Charlton Heston. Is that who's playing? I don't think that is. He on Planet of the Apes? I don't. Poor Messi. Apologies to Messi and his family and his loyal fans. He has an elf ear. I'ma just do an elf ear. Dude, that's how it looks. No way. I was exaggerating. Okay. Dang. Poor Messi. You think they made fun of him? Looks like an elf. Do you think I could beat Messi in a soccer match? Yes. Yes. Oh, thank you so much, Christus. You're on fire, dude. Oh, thank you. Botched Messi is tradition. Thank you, Christus. I think so too, isn't it? Botched. Look, I'll show. I'll do a. This is actually a picture of me that I'm using. I'll be honest right now. This is how I look, but I'm not that far off. Nobody can deny that I'm not. This looks like the person. But no, thanks for that compliment, bro. I've been kind of saving the bit for a while. I just wanted to make sure it was like, it's not just funny, but it also kind of calls out, you know, the truth. I do have more, like I have the rest of it. It's kind of, it's a 10-minute long thing, but I don't know if I should release it because I don't want to mass exodus either, but I don't think, it's not bad. It's just that, and I'm also glad I didn't start off my channel with that kind of drama, because I really wanted to focus on my art, but that shit's real and it technically may or may not have happened by official reasons that I will like to remain vague to protect myself. But yeah, I was like, you know, you can either make a whole talking head video or I can be a comedian like I have been for the last decade. And I kept seeing all those videos, like you see the Messi at 2060 World Cup. Oh. I think that's actually a compliment. If this looks anything at all like Messi, it's a compliment. So thank you so much. I feel like if I keep adding details, we will get there. Should I draw another oh, I think it's somebody else for a dragon. We'll get to a dragon. I should like leave a space next to him and I'll come back with a pencil. And we can do a comparison of what happens when you don't. You know. It's like, I want to do a video called How Not to Draw. It's like, why you shouldn't. Oh my god, I messed up this year. This was so bad. What I'm about to draw is Messi's ear. You can Google it, you can look it up yourself. It's horrific, people. Absolutely horrific. And every time I mess up drawing one of these celebrities, I just think, okay, is it me or are they just ugly? You get me? The pen does not lie, people. I'm not a bad artist. I'm not terrible at this. It's their face. You hear me? Their face. It's their fault. It's not my fault. Imagine doing like commissioned artwork and you mess up and then you go, you know, it's not me. It's because you're ugly. You understand? You're ugly. You're so ugly. Who could possibly be able to draw you? Did I mess up his hair? Oh shoot, dude, that thing's way too long. This isn't good, people. This is the worst drawing I've ever done. And it's like real this time. I'm not just trolling myself. Whoa, and then I put the neck and it made it a lot worse. That did not save it, ladies and gentlemen. That did not save anything. Can I get to a dragon now? Alright, let's get to a dragon for our friend Mink2, if they're still around. Perfectly understandable if they left and swiped away, never to return. Completely understandable.